What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today we are here with another BT21 haul. So I have been accumulating stuff over the past 2 months from the BT21 releases with line, and as usual I am here to show you what the items look like. But before all that, I just want to say something real quick. The most recent time I went to the line store, someone actually recognized me from these BT21 review slash haul videos, and that's like the first time someone has recognized me from my videos and actually said hi to me. So I just want to give a shout out to Lisbeth. Thank you for saying hi to me. If you ever see me in the line store, which I am there every once in a while, please say hi. And moving right along to the haul and stuff. All of the items I got were from the New York Times Square line store. All of the prices for the items will be listed down below in the description box, as well as the timestamps if you'd like to skip around to different items. That will also be in the description box and pinned to the top of the comments, along with links to the other previous BT21 videos. All of that is available for your information and browsing needs, so you can go check that out. The first thing that I would like to mention is an item that I am wearing right now. It is the zip-up hoodie. I chose to get the Mang version. There is a patch right here on the left chest part. So this is what the Mang patch looks like. Particularly on this hoodie, there are stripes at the ends of the sleeves. The other hoodies are different. The hoodies are not all gray either, they're different colors. What we have on the back is a print. So, yes. All of them are pretty much like a comic book style type of artwork. They each have different sound effects or little blurbs on all of them, except for the van one. That one is more like a comic book cover. I'm just going to go over the inside. The tag is huge, but it's actually pretty cool and stylish. I like it. And the inside is this type of material. It is not fuzzy, but it's still thick. Now the fit of the hoodie, it is an oversized type of hoodie. So this is a size small. I normally get size small for, you know, like men's or unisex hoodies. So we're going to talk about like the shoulder seam. So normally the seam would be right about here on my shoulders for any other type of hoodie, but for this one it is actually all the way down here, if you can see that. That's mainly what gives it the baggy look and the baggy feel, because the lengthwise it still ends at my hips where any other size small would, and sleeve wise it still ends right at my wrist, so that part isn't gigantic. If you were expecting like regular hoodies, it's not. It's oversized feel type of zip up hoodies. Here's a couple of video clips of the other hoodies that they've got going on. As you can see, they are different colors, different colorways, and the pattern on the back is different. So the next item I'm going to talk about is the BT21 vacuum handle bottle. It's fancy words for a water bottle. So the box itself is super cute. You have all of them doing a pose, and there they all are, and Dan is just chilling on the speaker. Comes in a plastic. It is so cute. Okay, let's start with the design on the bottle. It is the same one that is on the box, sans van, which kind of makes me sad, but still cute regardless. There is the BT21 logo. This is made out of metal. It's definitely a sturdy material, not thin. On the bottom is just some basic information. If you were wondering about the capacity of this, it is 16 fluid ounces or 473 milliliters. So to open it, you just give it a good twist, and it is metal inside, and this is what the top looks like. Overall, I really like this item. I think it's pretty good quality. I'm just worried about it because if I do use it, eventually it is white, so it's about to get real dirty. Who knows what kind of scratches, but other than that, I really like this item. The next item I'm going to talk about are the eco bags. They are just, you know, basically tote bags. I said I was only going to get one, and I ended up with two. They come in these big ass Ziploc bags that say BT21 on them. Print on the front. There is no print on the back part. Something that I find really cute about the bags is that one strap is a different color than the other. The inside is the same color as the rest of the bag, but I thought that this different color was a really nice touch to all the bags. I don't know how well you can see the quality of the fabric, but it's just, you know, your basic fabric. It doesn't seem to be too thick, like, you know, really thick canvas tote bags. Then there's just the tag, so that one is Mang's, just says Young and Wild. He's holding a stereo. It's mad cute, and I had to get it because it was purple, and yeah. Not gonna lie, this kind of smells a little bit weird when you first take it out of the bag, but this one is Cookies. It says play ball. He's with a basketball. It's so stinking cute. His strap is gray, and it kind of is hard to see in this lighting, so I'll just show you the video clip of this and the other ones. The next item I'm going to talk about is the figure key rings. So they come in this plastic. The keychain mechanism right there, it's that type of one with the spring that springs back and forth, and there's also a little piece here that says BT21. And the figure itself, I was expecting it to be like really hard material, but it's actually kind of squishy. This might be obnoxious because it's like right next to my microphone, but I'm not sure if you're able to see the squishage going on, you know. So for these, I will not be taking them out of their packaging. I'll just go through each of them in their packaging. There is another item that they had at the store which I did not pick up. It is the massage sticks. I do have a lot of footage of those though. So basically it is a wooden stick, and at the end of it is one of the characters' heads. It's made out of that same plush material as majority of the other items, and it is meant to be a massager. When I first saw these, I thought these were like photo props, but they're actually massage sticks. So I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to use it, but this is how I thought that you were supposed to use them, by smacking your back. And I didn't think it was gonna be massaging or relaxing at all, but actually it is kind of relaxing after trying it for a little bit. Lastly is the long-awaited BT21 hair accessories. I'm gonna start off with the headbands. I only got one headband, and that is the Van headband. There are two of Van's heads on said headband. The headband is covered with a fuzzy plush material, the same material on the actual character's head. There's also a little tag at the bottom of the headband. It has the character's name. So we're just gonna get into clips of the other headbands. So it's the same thing, the fuzzy material and two of the character's head on the headband, unless it's Shooky, you know, then, you know, it's his whole body. And these are hella cute, dude. Like, I don't know what else to say about it. It's just mad cute. I was debating whether or not we should do a try on for the hair items, and you know what? I know I'm almost always wearing some sort of accessory on my head. So yeah, you know, surprise! I have a side cut. How do we want to go about this? I think I'm just gonna like put it on top of my hair like this. How does it look? It's crooked as fuck. Okay, there we go. What do you think? I think it's super cute and extra as hell. I love it. Yeah, I think it's cute. You could also wear it like, you know, how you're supposed to wear headbands, you know, to keep hair out of your face and stuff, but I got a big ass forehead, so maybe we should just not do that. Next is the hair ties. Boy, I went overboard. I bought all of them because it's so stinking cute. You gotta trust me on this. They are packaged like this. It is really cute packaging, actually. It is the same plush kind of microfiber material as the headbands, and I think, you know, pretty much as the cushions, bag charms, all that. I think it's all the same fabric. Let me just go through what each of them look like, and then, you know, we'll go through the whole hair tie aspect of this. So his is pretty cute because he still has his like tail thing going on. Also on the side of all of them is their name, again on a tag. Vans. So it's pretty much just like what's on the headband, but hair tie version. Again, Shooky has that different fabric as opposed to all the other ones. I'll use Tata's as an example. It's a black hair tie, one of the thicker type of hair ties, and it's just attached to the back like this. You are gonna have to pardon my baby hairs. They have a mind of their own and they are all over the place, but yeah. It is so cute. I I cannot wait to be so freaking obnoxious with these in my hair. Let's try a low ponytail with Shooky and see how that turns out. This is so cute. What if I used it at the end of a braid? I already know this is gonna be so obnoxious. Oh yeah. What if I just did some really obnoxious shit right now and wore all of them at once? Wow, oh wow, look at Mang, just... What the fuck? Man's upside down, I don't... Yeah, I thought that other one was pretty bad, but this managed to make it even worse. I think this is very stylish and practical, you know, just high fashion. This is like a freaking weapon now. Oh, yeah, I'm glad this is what I'm doing at 1:44 a.m. So that is it for this BT21 video. If you like these types of videos, you could hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Or if you would like to subscribe, you could do so down below or at the end of this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye. 잠깐만 연락이 이제야 오네.